ASML announces third quarter 2024 earnings. In particular, it mentioned the sales situation and prospects in the Chinese market. ASML's net sales for the quarter were 7.467 billion euros, about 57.827 billion yuan. Month-on-month growth of 19.6%, gross margin of 50.8%, decline of 1.7 percentage points. Net profit of 2.077 billion euros, about 16.085 billion yuan. 31.6% quarter-on-quarter growth, ASML disclosure. New orders in the third quarter amounted to 2.6 billion euros, of which 1.4 billion euros came from EUV lithography machines, with a total sales volume of 116 units. Among them, 106 are brand new, an increase of 17 from the previous month. Used 10 sets, 1 set less than the previous month. Low numerical aperture, 0.33, EUV lithography machine aspect. More and more customers demand to NXE 3800E. The fourth quarter is expected to become the main sales force. High numerical aperture, 0.55, EUV lithography machine aspect. In the fourth quarter, 2 devices will enter the customer's on-site acceptance test phase. Revenue subsequently recognized. Also shipping a third high-NA EUV system to another customer. ASML Chief Financial Officer Roger Dassen said after the earnings report, expected business in China and its share of global business will present a more normalized level, including new orders and the overall business level, he noted. ASML fails to meet all the needs of the Chinese market. At the same time, demand from non-Chinese customers is decreasing, resulting in an upward trend in the proportion of sales in China. As the needs of Chinese customers are gradually being met, the recovery of non-Chinese markets, it is expected that the proportion of sales in China will gradually return to normal levels. Next year it will be about 20%, which is comparable to the historical level. Notably, of the ASML undelivered orders, there are also about 20% of Chinese customers, mainly due to logic, the impact of memory chips, and immersion product sales. In addition, many businesses in the Chinese market are immersion lithography systems. Its gross margin is significantly higher than ASML's overall gross margin. So if the share of the Chinese market changes, ASML's gross margin will also be affected. Future-oriented. ASML expects fourth quarter 2024 net sales of 89.2 billion euros. Gross profit margin 49-50%. Net sales of 28 billion euros in 2024. 2025 net sales of 335 billion euros. Gross margin of 51-53%. Previous Investor Day in 2022. ASML had estimated revenue between 340 billion euros in 2025, but considering the recent market situation, now tends to forecast the second half of the revenue range. The main reason is that the demand for low numerical aperture EUV lithography is reduced. Shipments are expected to be less than 50 units in 2025, at the middle of the prediction interval. So what do you think about this? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area, and we will discuss it together.